Okay, hello again, I'm Mohammed Ataya. What if I need to consolidate data between these four sheets? In this sheet I want to get the feedback from the officer name X and feedbacks from the officer name Y and Z and so on from their sheets. So here I have the sheet for the officer name Z and all of the feedbacks that concern him. I want to get them and put them here. Z, what's the feedback for Ala? Z, what is the feedback for Fatima? Z, what is the feedback for Safa, and so on. I want to do the same for officer name Y and officer name X. I will do it using the Vlookup function. Let's see how. At first, I will name range this data with its name, officer name Z. Press enter. Do the same for this one. Y and X. Here I will use the Vlookup function to look up for this name in what table? In the X table or Y table or Z table. So here I have to use the if function. So the if function will look, if the officer name is X, it will use the table array as the X name range. If the officer name is Y, so the table array will be the name range Y. If the officer name Z, so the table array will be the name range Z. If officer name equal X, then table array will be X. Otherwise, if the officer name equal Y, then the table array will be Y. Otherwise, the table array will be Z. Finally, I will close the if function, first if and second if. Now I have the table array for my Vlookup function. So I will put comma, column index number will be, what's the feedback? I think it's column number 3, and finally 0 for exact match. Let's see now. Hello. I have the feedbacks from each sheet all consolidated in one sheet using this very good function, using Vlookup, and inside it there is if function. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ask in the comments if you have any question. Bye bye.